Bringing the inside out can turn your outdoor space into somewhere you want to spend time and show off to your guests. Here's a couple of ways to bring back the wow. Firstly, let's clean any decked or paved areas to get rid of unsightly gravel, soil, or debris. With its ability to work seamlessly between dry and wet surfaces, the Kärcher Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner will pick up everything from moist soil, debris and wet leaves to fine dust particles on dry surfaces. Helpfully, the WD5 here also has loads of different floor tool options for tackling different size and shape spaces. Another great way to add wow to an outdoor space instantly is by cleaning any exterior seating and adding tactile styling cues such as outdoor cushions and throws, items we might generally associate more with indoor comfort. The WD5 with its powerful motor is the ideal machine to get the best results, and quickly too. Cleaning before you add any textiles will ensure that both they and the foundations of the space will look smarter for longer.